You go to your favorite store to scan products to sell on Amazon, buy a bunch of products, get home, and go to list your products on Amazon, and then you find out that some of the items you cannot sell on Amazon. Here are two ways you can check if you can sell a product on Amazon before making a mistake at the store. First way, you scan the product, tap on the listing, tap on selling eligibility, and then you can see all the conditions that you can sell this product. Sometimes you can sell as new but not used, or the other way around. Second way, go to Seller Central, click on Catalog, add products, copy the ASIN of the product, and paste in the search bar. Then click on the search icon or hit enter. Select a condition that you want to sell. If you can sell this item, you're going to see sell this product. If you cannot sell this item, you're going to see apply to sell. Subscribe and like this video if you want to learn how to sell on Amazon, and comment below your questions related to selling on Amazon so I can help you.